Good evening, friends. This is Colonel Ajay, CEO AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com, and online channel Ajay Astro Money Guru. Today, 13th of June, year 2020. An important discussion and talk on Nifty and what exactly it is looking for the stock market next week. Before I should go ahead further, friend, I will say what exactly things are being moved on. If you look at the Indian economy as well as the global economy, production, tax collection, government revenues, companies' revenues, their profitability, if you look all these, it is quite confusing for the investor's mind. One side, your tax collection, it is almost at the nil. Production, it is almost nil. Even though you will find the global stock market is rising. If you see the March, everywhere there is a very great downfall, great recession, unemployment data, labor migration, problem of raw material, problem of everything. What all announcement has done, its result is yet to be seen. What is happening? क्या हो रहा है? फ्रेंड्स, यदि हम देखें मई का महीना, month of May 2020, you see what happens. And the first and second week of June, the stock market is raised from level called 9,000 to 10,300. Around 1,300 points, Nifty just jumped continuously. Who is responsible for it? Is it a retail investor? It is domestic institutional buyers? Who is rising this market? The company are really doing very well. Their profitability, their sustainability, are they showing improvement? This is a big question. No. Answer is best known to all of us. It is nothing like this. Situation become worst. Unemployment is been rising like anything. This is historical at the highest level. Even at the time of war-like condition, even during war, the unemployment data was not so high. COVID-19, the cases are being multiplied all over the world, including India. So friends, what financial astrology says, I will share. I am showing the screen what is the planetical condition as on date today. So first you look at the charts, horoscope chart. So friends, I will say Sun and Rahu are making conjunction together. Sun and Rahu, it is making conjunction together. Jupiter and Saturn both are retrogression, and Mars, it is in Sun's house, in Saturn's house. Moon, it is in Jupiter's house. So gentlemen, these are the charts, horoscope chart shown in front of you. What does it indicate? Now I'll show the Nifty charts. This is this is the Nifty chart. If you see, Nifty is closed 9,972.90. This is the closing spot Nifty, and high it was made 9,996, mean 9,996, and low it was made 9,544. The swing of almost 452 points. The chart is just in front of you. These charts you can see. You can see the chart. Under this chart, it is clearly mentioned, it is understood that 450 points swing in one day, it is not that easy. Earlier, continuously, foreign financial institutions, they were net buyer in Indian equity market, because the Indian equity market was so attractive and lucrative so far in their eyes as compared to rest of the world. So India is one of the destination where every FIs who want to make money in stocks, India is one among them in their choice list. So the FIs were continuously buying. Therefore, the Nifty risen up so well, around 1,300 points in one go. Suddenly, when FIs are booking their profit, you see what happens. Now, what it is expected on Monday, mean 15th of June 2020, this is a $1 million question, whether we will rising or we shall be going for profit booking in Nifty. Friends, as far astro technicals are concerned, it's very clear. 9,972, this was the highest point on Friday closing, and spot was closed 9,972 and high is 9,996. So I will take it 10,040 is the very important level. It's Nifty spot 10,040 and 10,100. These are the label. If probably it may not cross. So this is the upper level what we are expecting, and we are expecting downward movement, and it may turn down. It may come down by 9,850, 9,710 and 500, 9,600, 9,600, 9,710, 8,900. These are the labels, three labels we are expecting in next week during first half. So friends, AjayAstroMoneyGuru.com offer you the research online financial astrology course also. You can learn the mysterious financial astrology by sitting at your home or office through online webinar through extempore courses. You can speak to us at the number given below. Even description you will find. And YouTube channel is also requested. If you like the show, please subscribe this and share others also. Friends, निफ्टी जो है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण स्तर पे चल रही है। 9,972 के ऊपर ये बंद हुई है। 10,040 और 10,100 का ऊपर लेवल लगता है, इस पे स्टॉप लॉस लगाना चाहिए। और नीचे लेवल जो है निफ्टी 8,900, 9,700 और 9,600, ये लेवल आप नीचे के देख सकने की संभावना बन सकती है। निफ्टी में संकेत मिल रहे हैं, ये 2-3 लेवल आप नीचे के और ऊपर के दोनों को समझ लें, और निफ्टी नीचे शायद अगले सप्ताह जो कि 15 जून सन 2020 से शुरू होगा कि पहले 1-2 दिन संभवतः आपको बाजारों में गिरावट की संभावना बने। दोस्तों, प्रोग्राम कैसा लगता है? फाइनेंशियल एस्ट्रोलॉजी ऑनलाइन कोर्स आप सीख सकते हैं। हमारी astromoney.com की पेड सर्विसेज को भी यदि आप चाहें तो देख सकते हैं। हमारी निफ्टी ईयरली बुक, उसको भी आप ले सकते हैं। पूरे 1 साल का हर दिन और वीक के बारे में उसमें चर्चा है। कमोडिटी बुक के अंदर कौन सी कमोडिटीज तेजी रहेंगी या मंदी रहेंगी, इसके ऊपर भी पूरा डे और वीक वाइज है, आप संपर्क कर सकते हैं। 9887056704। दोस्तों, आप हमारा लाइव प्रोग्राम धन नक्षत्र हर रोज सायकाल 8 बजे से 9 बजे के बीच फेसबुक और यूट्यूब लाइव के ऊपर देख सकते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम लाइव के ऊपर देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट, गुड लक, हैप्पी ट्रेडिंग।